Hello everyone, welcome in computer teaching classes. Today we have to see the topic PowerPoint. So we have to see here definition of about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software package designed to create electronic presentation consisting of a series of separate pages of slide. Means in electronically we have to make different type of pages in a slide way, which is shows on a different topic. Means when you create a presentation on any topic to show any another person, you have to make electronically. It can save pages also. And secondly, in short, we say PPT. PowerPoint presentation, we have to say PPT. Now we have to go on my laptop first page, pressing ESC key, and you have to see that this slide I have made in PowerPoint presentation PPT. So just you have to see this first page of the presentation. We have to do changes. Here is written file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, font, format. By this tools we have to use this presentation. Now little bit changes. By doing little bit changes, I have to make one presentation. See here. See, this is my desktop first page, and I just open a presentation. This is the icon of a PPT. Now see, this is the blank PPT page. What we have to do? Here is written new slide. Means if you want to take a new slide from the slide, so you have to go here. See, just I am removing the another one. This is the blank one is the first presentation page I have made. See what I will do. I will take just an any diagram. See, any shape, design shape. I want to take a circle. Just I take a circle here and draw a shape. See, so I want to move this circle one place to another. How can it possible? It can possible in a presentation. How? I will show you. See, just you have to take the circle and move here from one little place and go in a home and press duplicate slides, select. Now do again little bit and duplicate slide. Now again duplicate slide, again duplicate slide, duplicate slide, here also duplicate slide, so duplicate slide, here also duplicate slide, also duplicate slide, here also duplicate slide. See, just in different corners. See, in a corner there is some circles are moving in different forms. So just we apply here animation, how it can move directly. See, just first of all we have to click on slideshow, set up slideshow and click on loop continuously until ESC. Means loop means continuously without any hurdle, hindrance. You have to continuously perform this task. When you will press ESC key, then only it will be stopped. Now click OK, and from beginning it doesn't move. That means some problem is there. So see again, what is the problem? Just I have to apply to all. Here I am just click here, transition, and duration 2 second, or after apply to all. See, just this is the normal presentation which I have make here. And if you have a laptop or desktop in your home, you have to do practice of this. In next video, I will show you how to make a different topic a presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.